HVAC Services Pro guides homeowners through SEER2 upgrades with Trane systems. Homeowners are learning how SEER2 standards affect efficiency and performance with guidance from HVAC Services Pro, which offers complete, matched Trane HVAC systems. The company provides transparent pricing, certified installation, and high-efficiency options ranging from 14.3 SEER2 gas packages to 15.2 SEER2 systems tailored to home size and usage. With expert support and warranty-backed installations, HVAC Services Pro helps Texas homeowners upgrade aging systems while maximizing comfort and long-term energy savings.